What's up guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Off-Road. Guys, behind me is a 2023 Gladiator that a customer had brought to us. You know, he's been out wheeling it. He's got this thing completely built. I mean, Dana 60s, 14 bolt in the rear, smart cap, fully outfitted inside the way he wants it. You know, he's been wheeling this thing for about a year now and really was just wanting to unlock the final stage of this build. And to do that, we did the America's Most Wanted 6.4 HEMI swap. And I can't even begin to tell you how much better this thing is on the road. Driving down the highway is just effortless. You can pass people when you want to, you know, going up and over the passes. It's really just not a struggle anymore. So, you know, the whole process with the 6.4 HEMIs, you know, with America's Most Wanted, if you're really interested in getting that done, it takes generally 7 to 10 days, sometimes a little longer depending on tuning. Those guys are super busy, you know, so there's a little bit involved there. It could take a few days longer. You know, come in, we get the motor on order, anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks. You know, we'll have a motor here. We'll get you scheduled in within a couple of weeks once the motor arrives. And then that whole process begins. You know, when we take the bodies off, we power wash and paint every frame that we do, just to really give you that full ultimate clean look when it's completed. So in the 6.4 HEMIs, you know, these guys put out around 500 and 505 horse. You know, the 426s will get you up to 600. The Hellcats get you up to 700, but this particular package is right around 505 horse. I mean, it just really makes this thing move. You know, when you go to the dealer and you're looking to buy a new Jeep, you know, you can obviously buy the new JL 392, but in the Gladiator, that is not an option right now. If you really want to unlock the full potential of your Gladiator after it's fully built out, come check us out at 3D Off-Road.